Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but basically no worries because this operation of removing the browsing data is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to do that based on the instructions in this video. So after entering the browser, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course, if you want, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, let's be honest, if this list is really long, it is not really sufficient to remove it manually. It will take too much time. So simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some automatic options which will allow you to remove, for example, browsing history, cookies and saved data, and cached images and files, which are, I would say, like basics. And in advanced section, we've got saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. Now we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time, so it's up to you. And then tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything from the browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.